Good morning, Namaskar. मैं नवीन शर्मा. Welcome to Plutus IAS Academy. Student, today's series is based on the PYQ of UPPCS and other PCS exam, and this series is basically based on money and banking chapter. Okay, so in this series, basically we discuss those topics which are very important for the UPPCS and other PCS exam, and with the shape of PYQ, we discuss what is going in and what is the pattern of exam. Okay, so beta, firstly we have some questions and which previously arrives in exam. So firstly solve them and then we move towards the MCQ also. The first question is there. Out of 4, what was the reason of falling inflation rate? Okay, it arrived in UPPCS 2017. So beta, firstly you have to understand what is the meaning of inflation. So beta, inflation, underline this term. Inflation means when the value of money is decreased. It means due to two impacts. First is demand and second is cost. Due to them, sometime real value of money fallen down. Real value of money. You have to focus on this term. Because sometimes what happen when the demand increase, then the price of goods is also increased. So when the demand and price both are increasing, so due to it, the real power, or we can call it purchasing power, fallen down. So बेटा एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे आप समझ सकते हैं कि मान लीजिए कोई चीज 100 रुपए की थी और बाजार में उसकी मांग बढ़ने के कारण आज वो चीज हमें 120 रुपए में परचेज करनी पड़ रही है. तो बेटा क्या उसकी रियल वैल्यू 125 रुपए हो गई है, 120 हो गई है? जी नहीं. वो हमें जो सेटिस्फैक्शन देगी, मतलब उसकी जो उपयोगिता है वो मात्र 100 की है और हमें उसे परचेज करना पड़ रहा है 120 में, 125 में. तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है? रियल वैल्यू एंड परचेजिंग पावर ऑफ गुड्स डिक्रीज, मतलब परचेजिंग पावर ऑफ मनी डिक्रीज. ठीक है. ऐसी कंडीशन डिमांड की वजह से भी आ सकती है और कई बार बच्चों क्या होता है कि किसी वस्तु की जो कॉस्ट है वो इंक्रीज हो जाती है. कॉस्ट को बेटा आप COGS, कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड भी लगा सकते हैं. वो इंक्रीज हो जाती, इंक्रीज हो जाती है. इस कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड के इंक्रीज होने से जो वस्तु है बाजार में वो महंगी हो जाती है. ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दिस. सो बेटा अब हमें देखना है कि इन्फ्लेशन अगर बाजार में है तो उसका इनमें से क्या रीजन है इन्फ्लेशन के फॉल होने का. तो बच्चों इकोनॉमी में दो प्रॉब्लम आती है, कि इन्फ्लेशन है, डिफ्लेशन है. अगर मैं इन्फ्लेशन का अपोजिट कर दूं उसको मंदी कहा जाता है, डिफ्लेशन कहा जाता है, और इन्फ्लेशन को मार्केट में तेजी कहा जाता है. ठीक है. सो प्राइसेस आर कंटिन्यूसली फॉलिंग. बेटा अगर किसी वस्तु की प्राइस लगातार गिर रही हो तो समझ जाइए कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिफ्लेशन. हम मंदी की बात कर रहे हैं. तो बेटा ये तो इसका उत्तर नहीं हो सकता. इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट इज मोशनलेस. बेटा किसी भी देश का जो इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट है वो मोशनलेस तब होता है जब बाजार में डिफ्लेशन चल रहा हो. तो ये भी इसका कारण नहीं है. फूड सप्लाई इज इंक्रीजिंग. बेटा अगर फूड सप्लाई बढ़ेगी तो क्या होगा? सप्लाई ज्यादा हो जाएगी, मांग कम होगी, इसकी वजह से कीमतें गिरेंगी. ये बेटा फिर से हमें डिफ्लेशन के बारे में बता रहा है. जबकि हमारा क्वेश्चन है इनमें से किसके कारण इन्फ्लेशन कम होती है, क्या रीजन है? तो बेटा प्राइस आर इंक्रीजिंग विद अ स्लो रेट. मींस प्राइस आर इंक्रीजिंग, प्राइस में कोई डिक्रीज नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन बेटा जो बढ़ने का रेट था प्राइजेस का वो थोड़ा स्लो हो गया है. इसका मतलब मार्केट में इन्फ्लेशन तो है मगर पहले की ज्यादा या पहले की जितनी नहीं है. तो आपको इसको समझना होगा. सो हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? ओनली 4, मतलब सी आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा. आप सभी बच्चों कोशिश कीजिए साथ साथ आंसर देने की. अगला है इन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द कमर्शियल बैंक आउट ऑफ 4 विच इज नॉट इट्स पार्ट. बेटा किसी भी बैंक की प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? बेटा जब आप बैंक को देखते हो ध्यान से, तो खासकर स्पेशली कमर्शियल बैंक्स को, तो आप पाते हो कि बैंक के पास कई सारी अपनी असेट्स हैं. प्रॉपर्टीज, बेटा यहाँ पे असेट्स की बात कर रहा है. बेटा बैंक के पास जो एडवांसेस जमा होते हैं या एडवांस जो बैंक ने लिया है या दिया है वो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी का पार्ट है और लायबिलिटी का पार्ट है। डिपॉजिट्स, बेटा डिपॉजिट के बारे में समझिएगा, डिपॉजिट किसकी प्रॉपर्टी होते हैं? डिपॉजिट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स नॉट द बैंक। बेटा हमने जो पैसा बैंक में जमा किया है वो किसकी प्रॉपर्टी है? तो आप समझ जाएंगे कि वो प्रॉपर्टी लोगों की होती है, ना कि बैंक की होती है। शायद बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन था ये, आईएएस 2019 में आया भी था, काफी बच्चों को इसमें कंफ्यूजन हुआ था। नेक्स्ट में बेटा थोड़ा आगे चलते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखते हैं अब हम। विद रेफरेंस ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग थिंग्स, ओके, विच ऑफ अबाव आर कंपोनेंट ऑफ द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी। बेटा आरबीआई फॉलो 2 पॉलिसीज, you have to focus on this. RBI used 2 policies. First is known as monetary and the second policy is known as the fiscal policy of RBI. On behalf of government, RBI use it. In monetary policy, RBI used the terms like bank rate. Bank rate, it is a rate on which RBI give loans to commercial banks. Okay, then we have cash reserve ratio known as CRR. Okay, this is the amount of deposit, a part of deposit which bank has to keep in RBI. मतलब बैंकों के पास जो पैसा जमा हुआ है उसके जिस हिस्से को बैंक आरबीआई में रखते हैं उसे सीआरआर के नाम से जाना जाता है। Third is SLR, statutory liquidity ratio, the part of deposit which bank has to keep with them, that is known as SLR. मतलब कुल जमा राशि का वह हिस्सा जिसे बैंक अपने पास रखते हैं उसे हम SLR के नाम से जानते हैं। इसके बाद बेटा चौथा होता है बेस रेट। बेस रेट बेटा वो रेट है जिससे नीचे जाकर कोई भी बैंक अपने अच्छे ग्राहकों को उधार नहीं दे सकता। बेटा बैंक के बहुत सारे अच्छे ग्राहक होते हैं जैसे नीरव मोदी, विजय माल्या, तो ऐसे ग्राहकों को बैंक बाकी जो रेट चल रहा होता है उससे काफी नीचे जाके लोन देता है, लेकिन कोई भी बैंक कभी भी बेस रेट से नीचे जाके किसी को भी उधार नहीं दे सकता, आपको याद रखना है। फिफ्थ वी हैव रेपो रेट। बेटा समटाइम द कमर्शियल बैंक नीड द फंड फॉर द शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन, so they take the loan from the RBI by behalf of repo rate, and its opposite is reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate. Sometime RBI also need amount, so that is known as the reverse repo rate. And then last we have marginal standing facility rate. Marginal standing facility rate. So these are the tools of monetary policy. So you have to focus on this. Okay. So here our question is that out of 4, which are the components of monetary policy? Okay. So you have to focus on the part of monetary policy. So beta bank rate is very important for you. Bank rate is the part of the monetary policy. Okay. Public debt and public revenue, when the public word arrived, they were part of basically fiscal policy of state. Okay. And about the open market operations, you have to focus on this thing, that open market operation is activity by RBI when RBI is selling and purchasing the government securities. Okay, this is known as the open market operation. So you have to underline it. Okay. Sometime, and according to some economician, open market operation is also part of monetary policy, but some are considering it that it is outside. But at here, if the 2 options were given, then answer is first and second. Okay, focus on this one. But at here, they have only one option you have to choose. So we have to choose bank rate. Okay. Question 4th, with reference of the inflation in India, which of the following statement is correct? But it arrived in UPSC 2015. So those questions which previously arrived in UPSC, now they have a chances that this kind of question with a different language also arrived in PCS exam. So So focus on this question, very important question. So this question is talking us with reference of inflation in India, which of the following statement is correct? भारत में मुद्रास्फीति को देखते हुए इनमें से कौन सा कथन सही है? Okay, controlling the inflation in India is the responsibility of the government of India only. But previously we discussed for many time that inflation is controlled by the Indian government and with the RBI also. So this quotation is wrong here. The Reserve Bank of India has no role in controlling the inflation. It is also wrong. Beta, previously we talked about the monetary policy and fiscal policy. Third one, decrease money circulation help in the controlling the inflation, and increase money circulation help the controlling the inflation. But if the government want to control, yeah, RBI want to control the money, basically inflation in market, so you have to increase the money in market or decrease the money. Basically, beta, when they have a huge money, the demand is also increasing. So RBI focus that how to decrease the value of money in market. Yeah, basically how to control the money's flow. So at here, answer C, decrease money circulation help in controlling the inflation. It is the right answer. D is also wrong. Okay, beta, let's move. Then we have question number 5. The establishment of payment banks. I hope so you are aware about the Paytm payment bank and different payment bank, PayPal and other one. Payment bank being allowed in India to promote financial inclusion. Which of the following are statements are correct in this context? In context of payment bank, which statement is correct? Mobile telephone companies and supermarket chains that are owned and controlled by the resident are eligible to promoters of the payment bank. It is true. Payment bank can issue both credit card and debit card. Paytm payment cards are they only issue the debit card. No credit card is full seems given. Payment bank cannot undertake lending activities. So beta they are also not a part of the lending activity. So this is statement also true. So statement first and third are true. So our answer is B. Okay, focus on this. Sometimes this kind of questions also arrive. Question number 6. The money multiplier. Basically, beta, money multiplier it tells us that how the money increase in money flow increase in market, economical increase with the which of the following, by which the money multiplier increase. Increase in the cash reserve ratio. Beta, if the CRR increase, it means money multiplier decrease, because if the CRR increase, bank has to keep higher money in the RBI. So due to it, market flow decrease. Increase in the banking habit of the population. Okay, we focus on it. Increase in the statutory liquidity ratio. If you increase the SLR, it also decrease the multiplier. Increase in the population, because if the population increase, then the multiplier is also impacted. So our answer is B, increase in the banking habit of people. So beta, if we increase the banking habit of people, then the people move towards the saving, and if the saving increase in economy or basically investment is increased, so the money multiplier is also increased. Then if seventh question beta, if the central bank wants to reduce inflation, it might be so what the bank has to do, decrease the repo rate, increase the reverse repo rate, reduce reduction in the cash ratio, increase government spending. So beta, RBI want to decrease inflation. So when the inflation downward, okay, focus, increase the reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate means where RBI taking the higher loan. If the RBI taking the higher loan, it means, okay, it means, because if the RBI increase the reverse repo rate, so bank get a more profit. So bank are giving the huge loan to RBI. So if the RBI took the loan from the bank, then the banking sector is also face the money lack of money. Okay, and it also impacted the cash circulation. So this is not our answer. Then reducing the cash reserve ratio. If the cash reserve ratio is decreased, bank has a more cash to give the loan. Okay. Increase government spending. If the government spending is increased, then the public get the higher inflation. Okay. So it creates the inflation, but we want to decrease the inflation, so it is also wrong. If we want to create inflation, then this tool help, but we want to reduce it. Okay, and decrease in repo rate. If the RBI decrease the repo rate, what it means? If the RBI decrease the repo rate, so banks are taking a huge loan from the RBI. So at here you get to know that this, oh sorry, you don't focus on this, sorry. A decrease in the repo rate, it is also not an answer. Okay, and our answer is, sorry, B. At here the answer is B, because I have read the question wrong. It is that how to reduce. So if the RBI increase the reverse repo rate, so basically banks are giving huge loan to RBI, and due to this the market flow of cash decrease. So it is the answer. Okay. Next, which of the following is a function of money? So beta, money has basically different function. Store of value, it is good. Medium of exchange, unit of account, all of above. So beta, what is the money and what is the functions of money? So beta, basically money is a working as a value to store, a mode of exchange, giving the value to yourself. So all of above is the functions of money, unit of account. Okay, which of the following organization issue 1 rupees currency? But in India, there have a RBI Act 22. It is saying that RBI can issue the notes exception of 1 rupees note. 1 rupees note is issued by in India by the Finance Ministry, and this note signed by the Finance Secretary of India. But a 1 rupees note is a part of transferable currency, so you have to non-transferable currency, so you have to focus on this. So at here our answer is Finance Ministry, and it's signed by the Finance Secretary of India. Okay. Next question, beta, we have about 10 question. It is context of the Indian economy. The new bank, it is a new term. New bank refers to award under a Basel norms of implementation of best banking reforms. No, bank which have merged under the recent merger of the Bank of India. No, beta. Financial technology companies that operate slowly digitally. This is the about the new bank. The new bank is the term which set up it digitally and working. These bank have no official basically head office or a practical head office basically which available on the land ground. It is totally work in digital way. Just like example for you, the PayPal. I hope so you all, most of the student are using it. So if you have used it, you found that it has a no basically visual office is there. It is working only digitally. Okay. Then we have 11. Sanchi Stupa has been designed on the page side of the which of the following Indian banknote. So better currently there have a different images we found on our currency note. Just like if you check the 50 rupees note, you found the Humpy's image is there. On 500 rupees note, there have a red fort. Okay. And 500 and 2000 rupees note, there have a Swachh Bharat logo is also there. On 2000 note back side, there have a Mangalyaan, Rani Ki Vav on 100 rupees note. 10 rupees note, they have a Sun Temple. On 20 rupees note, we have a Ellora Caves. So finally, the left is 200 rupees note, where we have the Sanchi Stupa. So you have to focus on this. Okay. Then beta, question number 12. Which action by the RBI would stimulate the economy as an economical downturn? If the economy is downturn, what step used by the RBI? Selling government securities in the cash market, selling foreign currency on the foreign exchange market, buying government securities in the cash market, or buying foreign currency in the foreign exchange market. Beta, focus on this. Economy is downturn. It means we are suffering the deflation on top level. So what the thing the RBI can do? If the RBI sell government securities, it means the fund from the public now transfer to the RBI, and in market is also suffering a fund. तो मतलब बाजार में एक तो पैसा वैसे ही नहीं था, और जो पैसा था वो आरबीआई ने खींच लिया, तो मार्केट क्या होगी? पूरी बर्बाद हो जाएगी. तो आंसर नहीं हो सकता. Then selling foreign currency on the foreign exchange market, but this is also beneficial, but when when we need the basically Indian currency in foreign market. This is also not helpful at here. So the third one is the answer. If the RBI buying the government securities, if the RBI said that those people who had government securities now sell me and I will give you a huge profit to you. So the in the desire of profit, people sold out it and the people get the money. और बेटा मुद्रा का गुण है या मनी का गुण है कि जैसे ही वो लोगों के हाथ में आएगी, लोगों के अंदर खर्च करने की इच्छा पनपेगी और उससे क्या होगा, मार्केट इंक्रीज. सो इफ द आरबीआई वांट टू इंक्रीज द मार्केट एंड स्टॉप द इकोनॉमी फ्रॉम द डाउन टर्न, आरबीआई हैज टू बाय द गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज. Okay, better. Next one. The money is 13 question. Money is the matter of function for the medium, a measure or a standard. So on the this gap, what arrived? So beta, money is a value to store. Okay. So at here, money is a value of store. You can store the money. Okay. 14. The Laffer curve. Beta, Laffer curve is basically talking about the discrimination. But if we want to check that in economy, how which kind of differentiation is there, so graphical representation of the relationship between the tax rate and the absolute revenue rate, the inequality in income distribution. So it is about that one. But in Laffer curve, we took a one curve and we make a budget line, and we found if the point is near it, they have a more equality, and if the point is below it or far from it, it has an inequality. So basically Laffer curve is talking about the inequality in the income distribution. Okay, so answer is B. Fifth, the Gresham's law, a very famous law. Gresham's once said that if two currencies are running in market, one is good and second is bad currency, then bad currency took out the good currency for a market. बेटा अगर बाजार में असली और नकली दोनों नोट हो आपके पास, तो पहले आप कौन सा नोट चलाने की इच्छा रखेंगे? तो बेटा उसका उत्तर होता है हमेशा लोग क्या करेंगे, जो नकली नोट है उसको ज्यादा चलाएंगे और धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, पूरे बाजार पर नकली नोटों का कब्जा हो जाएगा. और रात को जैसे ही टीवी पे 8 बजेंगे, मोदी जी आएंगे और कहेंगे रात 12 बजे से नोट चलने बंद. So beta, this is the circulation of money, deficient financing, consumption and demand, and supply and demand. So it is about the circulation of money, that bad money took out good money from market. Okay beta, so this is about the money, that how the money happened. So beta, in this series today we have done the 15 questions, and if you like this session, please be share with your friends and also give a comment box, also give your answer in comment box. Okay, and next series we discuss about the budget, and then we move towards the other chapters. Okay, so by the series we do the some PYQs and some important questions. Okay, thank you. This side from Naveen Sharma. Let's meet tomorrow.